I believe I can fly. Whoa, did you see that trash flying into the hopper? Oh no, the lid!
Garbage Family Show!
Happy New Year, Garbage Family Show friends! I hope you had a good Christmas. Boy, I did. I have a fun video for you this week. Garbage and recycling cans are usually packed full during the first collection after Christmas. So, I went all over the Phoenix area in search of garbage trucks dumping full bins, so you could see this for yourself. Buckle up! It's a video filled with lots of garbage truck action. Let's start with my friend Bobby driving an N2 AMRAP garbage truck. We were totally surprised to see him out and about this week. Now let's check out a New Way recycle truck in action. Nice truck, smooth and quiet. Now I'm on to follow another N2 AMRAP garbage truck. I always like to clean up whenever I can. However, I should have had my work gloves on. He's got a full bin here, no problem. Another full one. Looks like he's done for the moment and stowing the arm. Now I'm off to the city of Phoenix to watch a CNG jumbo curb tender hard at work. Cool truck. If you like garbage trucks, be sure to pound that subscribe button so you don't miss a single episode. Cold stacks are always a little tough for drivers. He's got to back up in order to grab the next garbage can. There's a good look at that truck. This is a tough can right here. Good job. Another super full one. Another full one. Here's a City of Phoenix CNG N3 AMRAP dumping a super full bin. People shouldn't overfill their bins like this, but this is the post-Christmas collection, so I'm sure drivers expect this kind of stuff. Nice job! back in Gilbert to see the N2 collect some full recycling bins. Oh man, what was in that recycling bin? It wasn't recyclable, I know that. Still nasty up in the hopper. Full can with no lid. Now time for some full garbage cans with my friend Richard. Oh, he hit the tree! Up it goes, and dump. Now he slams it back down and on to the next one. Slam that one hard. I'm right behind the trash can. Oh, I got covered in garbage dust. Oh no, he smacked the tree. That one was full. Nice slam! On to the next one. Alright, Richard, good job, man. See you around. I love watching Travis operating his N3 in the alleyways of Gilbert. The N3 is super rare for the town of Gilbert because they only have 2 left. That's a tight turn and a full bin. Nice job. I believe I can fly. Whoa, did you see that trash flying into the hopper? That bin was way too full. They even had bags of trash on the ground. Now we're back following the N2 garbage truck. He had to really stretch out to get that can. greasy dump. Yuck. And here comes my friend Jeff around the corner. Watch this next can. Keep your eye on the lid. Oh no, the lid! Jeff had a little bit of a mess to clean up after that. Boy, that can took a beating this week. Now I'm gonna end this video with a clip of my friend Travis finishing his route in the M3 AMRA. See ya, Travis! Woo! Have a happy, wonderful New Year, everybody!